Greetings everybody and welcome back to another video. Today we have LiProspect, which is an automated LinkedIn prospecting AI based tool. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that could be used to simply get exclusive benefits and extended free trial on this platform. Now talking about LiProspect, of course LinkedIn is an important tool in getting opportunities and managing different type of businesses. So if you want to skyrocket your business or your profile, you can use this tool because it has an amazing platform. If you are a sales manager, as you can see in here, or recruiter, so this is going to be helping you. Now of course you need to boost up your campaigns on LinkedIn to increase the audience engagement, and that is completely possible using LiProspect, as it provides you the dashboard that is crucial for this type of task. So if you are looking for a statistical analysis of your engagement on LinkedIn, and even if you want to simply create something like, for example, a business that is running on multiple people or a set of teams, you can manage those teams and try out what is working best for you and what is not. So you can filter out different type of stuff, as you can see mentioned in here: advanced search filters, use search options for precise candidate selection based on experience, job title, etc. So all these features are available in this platform. Make sure to give it a try, guys. Highly recommended and amazing platform. And yeah, with that being said, that is pretty much it for this video. You can head over to the link in the description to simply get extended free trial and exclusive benefits on these platforms. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.